Hi guys, so today I wanted to do a daily numerology read so that you guys can see what the numerology is for the day, what kind of energy you can expect, and also get a little bit of a feel for how you actually do the numerology. So when you're doing date numerology, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a look at what day it actually is. So in today's case, it is July 6th, 2021. Seems like a good day, right? So July is going to be the 7th month. You're going to pull down that 6, and then you've got 2021. So in this particular case, that means that it's 2 plus 2 plus 1, and that equals 5. So we have 5, 6, 7. So now what we do is we add up those ones. So we have 11 here, and then we have a 7 here. So we add those guys up, and magically we end up with an 18-9. So if you look at this day in history, it's going to be an 18-9. There's a couple other things that you can do with this read as well, though. So we also have it that it's a day 6. So our day is going to be a 6. Our day plus month, which is how I do where it falls on like a 9-day cycle, is going to be 7 plus 6, which is going to equal 13, 4. And then you have what I call this day in history, which is going to be your 9. So what does this mean? So what kind of energies do we have today then? So this day in history is going to be looked at something where the energy that's attached to this day in history is going to be something altruistic. So 9s are all about altruism, they're about giving, they're about common humanity. And this is also paired with the fact that it's a day 6. Day 6s are all about community, family, they're all about balance. And so in combination, you're going to end up with this sort of community feel, this balance feel surrounding a good day to do work in the community, philanthropic work, or to give back to your community, or to better humanity as a whole. Now in the 9-day cycle, it pulls out to a 13-4, and this is the day plus month. Now 13-4s, a 13 is a malefic number, and so 13 is all about a malefic around duty. And so it's going to be pulling you in two different directions, where you want to be creative with the 3. You want to be creative, you want to be social, you want to do things that are going to bring you together, are going to bring you to other people, which fits in with that 6 and that 9, right? So all of those have people in common. So 3, 6, and 9, these ones are all very people oriented. Right? So, but the malefic is also balanced out by this 4, and this is going to be about duty, responsibility, and foundation. Right? So, when you come up to a day 4 in a 9-day cycle, one thing that you're going to want to take a look at is what are you building for the next 5 days, right? What did you start in your day 1, which in this case would have been July 3rd. So what did you start there? And then what are you foundating? What are you building toward in that time? Are you building good things? Are you building, something around balance? Are you building around community? Are you building around your business? Are you building around the things that matter to you? Or, are you building anxiety? Are you building stress? Are you building uncertainty? Right? So take a look at the things you're foundating in that day and try and train your brain to head more towards this idea of stability and balance. And so one final thing, and this is just the energy read for the month, it's this month, July, is your month 7, so it's the 7th month of the year. So in July is a good month to do some meditation, it's a good month to do some learning, some creativity, to do some research. So 7s are all about the logic, the analytical side of things. So make sure that you're tapping into that logical energy, you're tapping into that research-oriented energy, and you're tapping into this very spiritual energy, and these very spiritual, or if you side on a very religious sort of energy that's attached to it. So overall, what I would say for this is keep an eye on your balance between your creative side and your more stable side, so don't get too distracted or don't get too lazy. Make sure that you're building towards the things that you want to build towards, and make sure that you spend some time with your family, or a good idea might be to take your family out and go do some service, go pick up some litter, go make the world a better place, and go do that with a common humanity in mind. So that's what I've got for you guys today. And then for a quote, I've got I could, I can, I did, I will. So just a bit of mindset to get you guys going. So you can do this. If you're struggling right now, things will get better. And so just keep your mind to it, put your mind to it, make sure you're feeding your mind with things that are going to empower you. And have a great day. Thank you guys so much. And I will talk to you tomorrow.